Pydantic AI's agent run mechanism treats tool availability as a first-class concern, letting an external toolset wrap front-end provided tool definition, objects so the model can call tools whose execution lives outside the agent process. The run agent function orchestrates this by accepting a list of model message history, a collection of tool definition specifications, and an optional deferred tool results payload, then running the agent synchronously against those inputs. The function constructs an external toolset from the supplied front-end tools, passes it alongside the message history into agent-run-sync, and overlays both the original output type and deferred tool requests, so the return type correctly reflects whether the run completed or deferred. It returns the agent's output alongside the fresh model message entries produced by the run. From Pydantic AI import, deferred tool requests, deferred tool results, external toolset, model message, tool definition. From deferred toolset agent import personalized greeting, agent, def run agent, messages, list model message equals, front-end tools, list tool definition equals, deferred tool results none equals none, tuple personalized greeting deferred tool requests, list model message, deferred toolset, external toolset front-end tools, result equals agent, run sync, toolsets equals deferred toolset, #1, output type equals agent, output type deferred tool requests, #2, message history equals messages, #3, deferred tool results equals deferred tool results, return result output, result new messages. This wraps an agent run with an external toolset to expose front-end-defined tools and supports multi-run orchestration via deferred tool requests and deferred tool results. The output type is extended to include deferred tool requests alongside the agent's original personalized greeting output type, so the function can return either a completed result or a set of deferred tool calls awaiting front-end resolution. The message history parameter carries conversation state across runs, and deferred tool results passes tool execution results back into the next run. The pattern decouples tool execution from the agent, letting the front-end own tool definitions and their runtime behavior. On each run, the agent may return deferred tool requests with tool call part entries, which the front-end resolves via deferred tool results and feeds back as deferred tool results. This loop continues until the agent produces a final output. The trade-off is added round trips and front-end complexity versus keeping tool execution out of the backend, which is ideal when tools depend on client state like browser language or user preferences. Let's break it down line by line. From Pydantic AI import. Begins importing from the Pydantic AI package, a Python framework for building generative AI applications. The import declaration is opened, but specific classes aren't listed in this segment. Deferred tool requests. Imports deferred tool requests, a Pydantic AI type for managing tool requests that are deferred during agent execution. Deferred tool results. Imports deferred tool results from Pydantic AI, a type for deferring tool result handling. External toolset. Imports external toolset, a Pydantic AI class for wrapping toolsets so they can be provided to an agent as a capability. Model message. Imports model message, the base type for conversation history messages, including model requests and responses. Tool definition. Imports tool definition for defining tools that the model can call, with name, description, and parameter schema derived from Pydantic models. From deferred toolset agent import personalized greeting, agent. imports personalized greeting and agent from the DeferredToolSet agent module, bringing in a greeting tool and a pre-configured agent instance for use in the current file.
Messages, list model message equals.
Initializes an empty list named messages, typed as list of model message objects, serving as a conversation history container.
Front-end tools, list tool definition equals.
Declares front-end tools as a list of tool definition objects, initialized to an empty dict.
Deferred tool results. Deferred tool results none equals none.
Declares a nullable field deferred tool results, typed as deferred tool results or none, initialized to none.
Tuple personalized greeting deferred tool requests. List model message.
Declares the return type of a function as a tuple containing either a personalized greeting or deferred tool requests as the first element, and a list of model message objects as the second element.
Deferred toolset, external toolset front-end tools.
Creates a deferred toolset variable holding an external toolset instance initialized with front-end tools.
Result equals agent, run sync.
Invokes the agent's synchronous run method, assigning the returned run result to result. The call is incomplete. No parameters are visible in this segment.
Toolsets equals deferred toolset, #1.
Passes a single toolset, deferred toolset, as a list to the toolset's parameter of the enclosing call.
Output type equals agent. Output type deferred tool requests, #2.
Assigns output type, a list containing the agent's configured output type and deferred tool requests, indicating the agent can return either its structured output or deferred tool call results.
Message history equals messages, #3.
Passes the messages variable as the message history argument to maintain conversation context across agent runs.
Deferred tool results equals deferred tool results.
Passes the deferred tool results variable as the value for the deferred tool results parameter in a function or method call.
Return result output, result new messages.
Returns two values, the output from the agent run and a list of messages generated in that run via new messages. The whole thing is a loop. The front end defines tools via tool definition, wraps them in an external toolset, and hands them to the agent. The agent runs synchronously through agent run sync, and on each pass it either returns its final personalized greeting output or a deferred tool requests payload saying, "I need these tools resolved first." The front end picks those up, executes the tools on its side, where it has access to browser language, user prefs, whatever, packs the results into deferred tool results, and feeds them back on the next call. Message history carries the growing conversation, deferred tool results carries the resolved tool output, and the output type is extended to include deferred tool requests so the return type stays honest about where the run ended. The trade-off is clear. More round trips and front-end complexity in exchange for keeping tool execution out of the backend entirely, which matters when tools depend on client state the agent can't reach on its own.
The external toolset swallows tools, but only a greeting escapes through deferred requests.